Good morning, students. In today's class, we will start with new chapter 3, different users of a computer. Okay, in earlier video, I have explained you about these uses. Okay, I have sent you that video. I hope you enjoyed and learned well. Okay, now I will revise these uses for you again. Okay, now if you have book, open your book, page number 16, and read with me different uses of a computer. How can we use computer for different things? This is a computer. What is it? This is a computer: monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. These are the four main parts of a computer. Computer is a wonderful and useful machine. Why is it called machine? Because it works on electricity. It helps us to do many things. Okay, we can do many things on a computer, like can be used. First use is solve sums. We can do different types of sums in a computer, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All sums we can do on a computer very fast and very quickly, and it gives always the right result. This is the best thing of the computer. Now next use is to play games. This is very interesting use. Everyone is using computer for playing games. We can do lots of games, different types of games on a computer. Okay, like car racing. Okay, the Barbie doll games. Different types of games we are playing on a computer. And next use is to store information. Okay, whatever we type or making a file on a computer, we can save it, and we can see that file on any time on a computer. It will save for a long time our work. Now next use is to type letters. We can use computer for typing letters. Okay, I think your father using in office computer for doing this work, typing work. Okay. Now next use it to watch movies and cartoons. We can also watching movies and different cartoons on a computer. And to study also. Nowadays you are doing study only on the computer. So computer is very useful for all these things. To draw and color picture, this is very interesting use, and this is very joyful also. We can draw different drawings in paint program, in tux paint program, and we can do color also in the pictures, the computer with the mouse. And this is another use to listen to music. We can attach the speakers to the computer and we can listen music, and we can enjoy the music with the computer. And to book tickets online, okay, for railways, for airlines, and for movies, we can book tickets online very easily from at home. We can do this booking tickets. To send and receive messages, we can send messages with email. Okay, you have heard about email. What is email? It is electronic mail. We can send letter to our friends, relatives via internet. It is called, we can send email. We can send and receive their messages online. Okay, students, now I hope you have understand all the uses of a computer. Now I will revise for you. What are the uses of a computer? We can watch cartoons and movies. We can draw and color easily. We can listen to songs. We can send and receive letters, pictures, and messages from our friends or relatives. We can make also beautiful cards for our friends and family. We can play games like car racing, shooting, chess, different types of games we can play, and we can do sums and calculate very fast with email. Okay, so learn all the uses one by one that we have to different types of things on a computer. Now let us see the places where computers are used. Okay, when you are going out, wherever you are going, in a bank, in a hospital, in a shop, on a mall, you have seen computer everywhere. Okay, because computer is very useful machine and it can do different types of jobs. So computer are using everywhere in our world. Okay, so let's revise all the places. First, at home. Yes, we are using computer, laptop at home for different types of work. We can play games on computer, we can send messages, we can typing, we can listen music, okay, or other, and we can watch movies and we can search information with Google. And in doing homework also, nowadays we are doing only this homework from our computer and laptop. So at home there are different types of use of a computer, okay, to do work and play games. Next, places in shops and malls. Okay, if you are going with your parents in any shop or in any mall, you can see the computers are used for many purposes. Okay, for keeping records of items. Okay, from mall you are taking any product, that record is fed in the list of computer person, those who are giving you bill for that. Okay, and typing and printing bills also doing with computer, and sending and receiving messages with computer also. So in shop and malls, to make bills they are using computer. Now next place is at railway station, that I have told you that in railway station it is used for booking tickets for rail, for keeping records of all the passengers who have booked tickets, and giving information about arrival and departure of timings of the trains. Okay, which train is coming on which time, and which train is going on which time. So everything is fed on our computer. We can take information from that. For main uses, booking tickets, and schools also. You have seen computer in your computer lab. Okay, so keeping records of books in computer library also. Computer are used in schools for keeping records of books, helping teachers in teaching, making timetable, your exam timetable, your report cards, okay, and doing practical work in your lab, and how to draw and color I will teach you with a computer. So in school there are many uses for computer for teaching and learning. And next, using in hotels and resorts, they are also using computer for record guest details. And in offices, we do office work, typing work, sending emails and messages from the office. So lots of work we are doing in offices with the computer. And next is in banks, to deposit and withdraw money. Okay, they are also keeping the details of bank accounts, taking out money from ATMs. So lots of work in banks also. Next, in restaurants, to make bills of food items, we are using computer in restaurants. At airport for booking tickets, departure and arrival of the planes. Okay, keeping records of passengers like railway station, the same. Okay, arrival and departure and timing of air flights. So children, I hope you have learned and understood all the points. I will revise for you places where computer are used: at homes for to do work and play games, in shops and malls for making bills, for railway station for booking tickets, in schools for teaching and learning, in hotels and resorts for record guest details, in offices to do office work, and in banks to deposit and withdraw money, and restaurant for making bills of food items, at airport for booking tickets. Okay, so watch this video again and read the lesson also. This will clear your all the difficulties and all the points. So today, that's all for today's class. Now I will give you homework for this.